Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that in your AirDrop is showing that no people found. So how you can fix your issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you just have to just follow that settings to fix your issue. Just go to general section and just go to software update and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just scroll down and you see that there's an option a transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and inside the network settings. After that, simply just go back and just scroll down and you see that there is an option privacy and security. Simply just tap on that and here you see that there is an option location services. Just tap on that and just scroll down and you see system services option. Just simply tap on and just scroll down and see that there is an option significant locations. So make sure that it's turn it on. So many users face issue because their significant location is turned off. Make sure that it's turn it on. So they create the location on your current locations and your airdrop gonna work. So after that, simply just go back, and the other issue is that someone users um, connect VPN. So you make sure that you did not connect VPN during that airdrop. So make sure that settings. After that, simply just go to the airdrop. Just go to the airdrop and you see that I'm currently receiving off. So make sure that if you tick on contacts only, just make sure that it's only in your contact list. So if it's just not in your contact list, which you want to airdrop pictures, maybe videos, so make sure that it's in your contact list. And if it is not in your contact list, simply just select and everyone for 10 minutes. And also make sure that you have a mobile data connection, also have Wi-Fi connection, and also make sure that device bring together. And if you not issue solved, then again turn it off and again on it. If your issue is not solved again, then simply just turn it off your device and again on it. So your problem gonna fix. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.